Prepositions. Hello students. Can you see a few pictures here? You have a dog and a dog house. A dog house is called a kennel. And can you tell me where the dog is? In the first picture, the dog is on the kennel, and in the second picture the dog is in the kennel, and in the third picture the dog is in front of the kennel. And what about the last picture? The dog is behind the kennel. If you have 4 sentences here, and if you check these sentences, you understand the most of the words in these sentences are the same, except for words like on, in front of, and behind. And these words like on, in front of, behind show the relation between the dog and the kennel. Where is the dog? What is the position of the dog? The dog is on the kennel. The dog is in the kennel. It shows the position of the dog. And these words like on, in front of, and behind is called preposition in English grammar. So now we are going to look into the definition of preposition and different types of preposition. What is a preposition? We are going to learn the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. So what is the role of preposition in a sentence? A preposition is a word like in, between, before, after, on, off, for, from, etc. These words show the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. So prepositions connect nouns and other parts of the sentence, and they not just connect, but they show the relationship between a noun and other parts of the sentence. So in the example given here, the dog is in the kennel. So here we have 2 nouns, the dog and the kennel, and preposition in shows the relation between the dog and the kennel. Where is the dog? The relation in terms of position. Where is the dog? The dog is in the kennel. Another example, the apple is between the boxes. Here it shows the relationship between apple and the boxes. So prepositions always show relationship between a noun and it could be another noun or other words of a sentence. So here we have 2 nouns, apples and boxes, and it tells again where is the apple. It is between the boxes. So here between is a preposition that shows the relation between apple and the boxes. And what kind of relation? Relation in terms of position. Where is the apple? Another important point that you have to remember is that prepositions are always placed before a noun. If you check in this sentence, kennel is a noun. and the preposition in comes just before the word the kennel. Likewise, box is a noun and the preposition between comes before the noun boxes. So, always prepositions are placed before a noun. That is why it is called preposition. Where is the position? It is before the noun. It is always placed before a noun. I told you that prepositions show relation between noun and other parts of the sentence. So what kind of relationships or what type of relationships prepositions show? First of all, it shows relation of position or place. Here is two examples. We were at the mall. Here at shows the relationship of place. Where are we? We were at the mall. Again, mall is a noun. And as I told you, preposition comes just before the noun. So here at the mall. So it shows the place where we are. And the second sentence, the thief was hiding behind the cupboard. So it shows the relation between the thief and the cupboard in terms of position. Where is the thief? The thief is behind the cupboard. Again, another relation shown by preposition is the preposition of time. I have a meeting in the afternoon. So it is again a time of the day. Afternoon, morning, noon, evening, night, etc. And here it shows the relation of time. I have a meeting when? In the afternoon. You must come before sunset. So here again sunset is a time of the day and it shows the relation. When should the person come? You must come before the sun set. Method and manner. Method and manner means the manner in which we do something or the way we act. The method in which we do something. He cut the cake with a knife. So again, with is a preposition and it comes before the noun knife and it shows the method by which the person cut the cake. He cut the cake with a knife. So preposition with shows the method in which that person cut the cake. Then Tipu fought with courage. Again, the manner in which Tipu fought the battle. Tipu fought how? With courage. So, relation of manner and method are shown by prepositions. Then, direction and motion. He fell into the river. Here it shows the direction and motion. So, in which direction did that person fall, or what was the motion? He fell into the river. The moon moves around the earth. So, there is a kind of movement. That movement is clearly shown using the preposition around. The moon moves around the earth. So, prepositions are used to show relation of position or place, time, method and manner, direction and motion.